forward.
Breaking news, 1 in 4 women, 1 in 7 men have been a victim of severe violence by a partner. And that's not counting other crimes against children. I'm Fox 5's Marissa Mitchell. This just in, we raise awareness, money and party for a purpose. Silence the shame. Let's get loud.
Well, I guess, ladies and gentlemen, that was the breaking news. And so when they went live, I heard a roar. With that being said, you have to tell us how you felt as relates to all the moves that was masterfully executed.
I wanted to get loud, and I think we understood the assignment. And you both too, thank you. This is an absolute pleasure. The highlight of my year. I've covered domestic violence, unfortunately, many times in my career, and I wanted to give back in another way. And we accomplished that, Pedro, tonight. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It was breaking news, it was live, and now we're going to go live to the judges.
Well, I don't have much to say. I cannot wait until Good Day DC, Lion Lunch Hour. Like, it's going to be so lit tomorrow when they show the highlights. Let me share, like, Marissa is a very good friend of mine. And when I tell you to know her is to love her, you did that, Marissa Mitchell. You think it was possible for you to outdance the pro. No shame on that. Congratulations, you did that. Shout out to the Fox 5 family in the building. Ashley Darby's in the building. I see you, Ashley. That's it. That's all. That's it. Congratulations.
Good Lord have mercy.
Pedro, I thought she was gonna hurt you for a minute. But hey, she put that high step on you, boy. I was real scared. I was worried. Every morning I get up and I'm flipping through channels, watching news. I ain't never seen no news cancer, person do that stuff. I tell you right now. But great job, great performance. I gave you a 9.
Let's give them another round of applause. I remember that they indicated that this was the local Dancing with the Stars, but when I heard the booze, it sounded like it was a national Dancing with the Stars. Thank you all so much.